Michelle. This is my Project 3 random character generator. I kid you not, I stayed up all night. I feel a little silly because I feel like it should be a lot easier than that. But here we are. I have no sleep. So, I guess what we could do is, what challenges did I face? Well, I have a problem with trying to do too much. And I really worked on it this time, but I still kind of failed a little bit. So, I have a character data.py file, and that's where I put my character data, like the class list and type list, in order to randomly pick from that. I've got characters created are going to be written to my CSV file, so we'll have a record of all the characters that have been created. So far, I've done actually 4, excuse me, and they've all failed in some way. Probably because I stayed up all night. And then I have a random character generator function.py file, and that has all the functions that I use. They imported random, I have imported CSV, I have imported character data, we've got file name, character created, blah, blah, blah. Okay, we've got, I've got a definition for greetings. It gives a message. The message is in the main program, and so it sends it there and then prints it. Got a get character name, so that's pretty self-explanatory, and it returns first and last name. I got a function create character with the first name that we pulled and then went back to the main function and then brought it all the way back to greet the character. Like, hey, nice to meet you. Let's see what kind of character you are. And then definition for, or function for ask to create. It's basically like, hey, you want to create a character? And there was some problems with the E. It's working now. But due to the fact that there was definition in random character generator functions and the same, it was in the main as well, I was running through like if no, and then elif E, and then elif Y, and so it wasn't picking up that E there. Because when I kept hitting it, it was risky. Anyway, we're good now. Let's just give this a run along before I take up too much time. Oh, right. There are 3 already created and saved characters. Figure that out later, but not the craziest importance. Okay, so, do we want to create a character? Yes, we do. 3 characters have been created already. Please enter the character name when prompted. First name Dumpster. Last name Fire. That's what I feel like today. Oh, another dumpster fire. Oh, I had a dumpster volcano before. It's getting a little creative in here. My character classes, I got some funny ones. I got Abyssal Descents from a video card game. And then there's, you know, action hero, anti-hero, these, and then I also have some characters, classes that I pulled out of the Mistborn series by Brandon Sanderson. So that was kind of fun. I was like, oh sweet, I know these guys. Ska. Doesn't tell you a lot, but they're there. I was gonna set up a whole, information in my character data.py file that when you got a certain character, it would print off the, oh, this is, you know, this is kind of what the character is. Here's a little description. And we'll do that later. We've done enough here. Okay, do you want to create another one? Sure. I guess we better show that we can do it again. Ba-da-ba-da-ba-dum. '40th Wave Evyar. Do we want to create a random character again? No. Okay, bye-bye! Let's run it again, because would you like to create a random character? E. Oh, E worked! Yay! My takeaways from this project are the same takeaways that have come from every project. Don't do too much. Make sure you write your pseudocode. I have started putting, like, I just take the instructions and I just put them right into my py files. and then I go through them, and rather than, adding any functions or doing anything, I just put my pseudocode in with the instructions. That always helped keep me a little bit more balanced. What I do to improve my project is I have a few formatting errors because I was dragging functions back and forth that had all kinds of formatting in them. I've learned a variety of formatting issues, and none of them really worked well with my program except for the ones that have, which is really frustrating. Yeah. I also learned that ChatGPT, even though it could be helpful for like syntax errors, is inevitably wrong. I was like, hey, you see a syntax error in here, and it spouts stuff back to me, and I was like, that's like wrong. So I typed back to it, and I was like, that's not correct. Blah blah blah. This is correct. It said, oh, I'm sorry, I got that wrong. Much apologies. Here, and then it gives me like some more, and I don't know if it was correct or not. I was like, you know what? I don't have time for that. So, ChatGPT gets very basic questions. Besides, if I don't understand what's going on, I get really confused anyway. So, that's all for now. I'm really tired, and I guess I'm gonna go finish the rest of my homework and my final projects. Because, all of them are due almost at the same time. Okay, thanks, bye.